Okay, here we go. Now what you see here is not the custom keycap set. This is a keycap set that I sort of customized myself. I've been learning Greek, and I was looking for a Greek keyboard that had the letters right on there. The ones that I could find were actually the Greek layout, and they usually had regular letters and Greek letters on them. And I wanted one that had the layout for this font that's called Teknia Greek. And that font is just, you don't use the actual Greek codes or to get the letters. It just replaces the English letters with the Greek letters in the font. And so this is that layout. And what I did was I printed the letters on like a label kind of papers to make stickers, and then I put the stickers on there. And it works okay. The big thing is I cut them square in the corner, and they don't feel very smooth, and of course they don't quite match. The white of the paper doesn't quite match the key color. So I ordered a set of custom keycaps from WASD Keyboards, and they came today in this tiny little box. I've ordered keycaps before, like regular sets, and they usually come in, bigger boxes, different. Sometimes they're 2 layers, but this is just a little box, so we're going to see what's inside of it. There it is, WASD. Ha! It came with a keycap puller. That's great. Where's my keycap puller? Here it is. See, I already have a WASD keycap puller. I've got a few, but this is my favorite, so nice little bonus. So usually when you get a keycap set, they're all like lined up and ready to use and very nice. And these are just, they threw them all in the bag. Have to organize them ourselves. They sent a WASD sticker. I guess that might be kind of fun for something. I'm not a big sticker person, but you never know. So it looks like we got different keycaps here. And when they said they were going to be white, wow, those are definitely white keycaps. Let's see what kind of sense we can make of these. So what I did to get these keycaps was you have to upload a file. They give you a template, and when you upload the file, you get all these keycaps based on exactly how you tell them. Now I actually did a little bit of design work to make these little arrows on here and the little arrow on the enter key. I think they look pretty good. I even made that little upshift arrow, and it looks a little skinny on the bottom. Oh well. Doesn't look like there's much rhyme or reason to how they packed these keys. I thought maybe we'd have like the number pad or something, but it looks like we've got more gray keys that are different sizes over here. Some number pad keys. No, I put the Alt in green like on my IBM Model M. And is that the 4 from the number pad? Yeah, it is. 4, 5, 6 from the number pad. Go, control, control. Alright, I'm just going to start putting them on the keyboard because trying to keep them all straight and find the right place for them, and just going to be too much work. All right, got the keyboard back on there, and there we have it. Like I said, these are much wider than I was expecting them to be, but I mean, they're a set of keycaps. They're custom keycaps. They're exactly what I ordered. The printing did, very good. I'm not sure how they print these. They say that they don't wear away quickly, but boy, they look, I can't feel anything on there. They look to me like dye sublimated, even though I know they can't be. So, for the most part, I'm very pleased. Like I said, I didn't like that up shift arrow that I made, and these arrows should be maybe moved over a little bit or done a little bit differently, but otherwise I think everything looks pretty good. I might have done more colors, like I did the green letters on the Alt here. I might have made red letters for the control and the escape, and I don't know, blue for enter or something, I don't know. But yeah, I have to double check to make sure that's how I ordered the S, but I'm sure I did. I must have just thought I could remember that that's where that accent mark was, and it does look better without it on there, but still, I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, if I were going to do this again, I'd probably have to see what the alternate colors are if there's a slightly darker one that's not so white. But there aren't a lot of choices, I don't think, for the key colors. For the cap color, I think they can print a lot of different colors, so like you could do a fancy, like a picture that covers multiple keys, do all sorts of fun stuff. If I had unlimited money, I'd probably try lots of things, but for my purposes, this is nice. I like it.